Hi, I'm Ben, and I'm here with Ryobi, and today we're going to show you my favorite way to make floating shelves. Now, you don't need any special hardware, and that makes this way very cost effective. In fact, you can make 3 of these shelves for under $100. Let's get to it. We're going to start with this 2x8, and we're just going to cut 3 pieces, 24 inches long each. All right, 3 pieces, all the same length. The pieces are cut, and I already sanded them with a random orbit sander just to take the edges down a little bit. Now we're going to drill our holes for our dowels. So we use this tape to mark 4 inches down from the tip. From here, we just got to lay out the location of our holes. We're going to go 2 inches in from either side, and then 1 right in the middle. We got the holes marked, so now we're going to clamp the pieces together and then clamp them down to our work surface so we can drill all the holes. We don't want the drill bit to wobble on us, so I'm just going to use the nail set to give us a little dent right where we want the holes. We got our piece clamped down, and we're going to use the track saw to just trim off the edge right here, which is going to be the part that we attach to the wall with the dowels going through. All right, 1 down, 2 more to go. Look at that, 2 pieces with the holes lined perfectly up. Our shelves are cut, drilled, and sanded, so now we're going to focus on the dowels. So we made this jig, and we're just going to first measure 4 inches from the end. And we're going to place that in this jig that we made right up to the mark. Now we have the dowel nice and secure, so we can cut it easily with our multi-tool. Now we're going to take our pieces for our shelves, and we don't want to get them mixed up because we want the holes to line up. And we're going to take the dowels we just cut, and we're going to sand down just the part that's going in the shelf part, and that leaves the thicker part that's going to go right into here. Just going to push that in. And if we wanted a little bit of extra security, we could use some wood glue as well. Always a good idea to apply your stain or finish before you mount these on the wall. So we went with a nice walnut stain. We're going to take the back support out, drill some holes through it, and then mount it to the wall. We're going to measure 16 inches apart so that we'll have screws that hit studs. And now we can just pre-drill our holes. We want our shelves to be nice and secure, so we're going to use our stud finder to locate them in the wall. Now we can screw the support in, and then we'll use our level to set it nice and straight. And there you have it. Floating shelves under $100. This is the absolute easiest way I know how to do floating shelves. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next project.